Howdy, I'm Clay Kalmbach with Bear Builds, and today I'm going to show you how I built this modern maple desk with hidden storage. I started this build by measuring and cutting hard maple boards I got from my local lumber supplier. So I just finished trimming these pieces down to about 42 inches. And so what I'm going to go ahead and do next is run them through the planer. And then once I have that done, I'm going to go ahead and rip down the edges on the table saw. I'll glue it up and this will be my tabletop. When planing the boards, I only took a 64th of an inch off each pass to prevent tear out on the board's face. After planing, I moved to my table saw and ripped down the edges so they would be square to one another. As you can see here, the edges did not line up, so I asked my dad for a little bit of help. We made sure my table saw fence was square, and then we ran the boards through a second time. Once again, the boards didn't line up, so I tried hand planing, which I'm not very good at, so unsurprisingly, this was not effective. This process of scoring up my edges obviously took a lot of attempts with many different methods. The right tool for this process would be a joiner, but since I don't have one, I had to get creative.
Ready?
My last effort was trimming the boards down on the table saw so they could fit through the thickness planer vertically.
I'd like to say this thing's heavier than the table saw.
This ended up working, so a dry fit of the boards showed that they were square to each other, and I figured that I should put some biscuits in between the boards. I did this to guarantee that they wouldn't shift at all during the glue up, and there would be added stability to the desktop itself. I went ahead and marked out lines on the boards where I would route out spaces for the biscuits. I'm ending this video with a glue up and will post a second video to show the process behind the legs and desktop drawers. There will also be a third video for the drawer and finish because I have a lot of content for this build and I don't want to make a super long video to get everything that I want in there. Be sure to come back next week when I will have the second video posted, and like and subscribe to show that you enjoyed the video.